I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Notion to Google Drive. This guide will help you seamlessly integrate your documents and files, enhancing your productivity. We'll cover two main approaches: embedding individual files and using third-party tools for broader synchronization. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to keep your Notion workspace organized and your Google Drive content easily accessible, saving you valuable time. One straightforward way to connect is by embedding specific files. First, open your Google Drive and get a shareable link for the document, spreadsheet, or presentation you want to include. Make sure the sharing settings allow appropriate access. Then, simply paste this link into your Notion page. A menu will appear, giving you the option to embed the content directly. This creates a live preview, allowing quick access without leaving Notion. For more extensive integration, consider using a third-party synchronization tool. These services act as a bridge, allowing you to automate the transfer of files or even entire folders between Google Drive and Notion. You typically connect both accounts within the third-party application, then define specific rules for how and when content should sync. This method is ideal for maintaining consistent data across large projects and can save you many hours of manual effort. To maximize your integration, always organize your Google Drive files logically beforehand. This makes embedding and syncing much smoother. Regularly check your sharing permissions to ensure everyone has the correct access to embedded documents. Also, explore the advanced settings of any third-party tools you use. They often offer powerful customization options. By following these simple tips, you'll create a highly efficient and well-connected workspace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.